Once upon a time, a stag lived in a dense forest. One day, while drinking water from a clear pond, he saw his reflection. He admired his beautiful, strong antlers, but felt ashamed of his thin, weak legs. "These ugly legs ruin my appearance," he thought sadly. Suddenly, he heard the roar of a lion nearby. Frightened, the stag ran as fast as he could. His swift legs helped him escape through the open fields. But as he entered the forest, his large antlers got stuck in the branches. He struggled to free himself, but the lion came closer. With great effort, he finally broke free and escaped. Gasping for breath, he realized his mistake. My legs, which I hated, saved my life, while my beautiful antlers almost got me killed, he thought. Moral: what is useful is more important than what is beautiful.